All right, so we got a word problem here. It says Faith has been saving $20 per month. So I'm just going to highlight that $20 per month in order to buy a new laptop. And so far has saved $140. If M represents the number of months, so M's the number of months that Faith needs to continue to save, then which inequality can be used to find how many more months she needs to save if she wants to spend at most $750 on the laptop. So let's just condense this, kind of summarize what this is saying, which I think is a good tactic when you're doing word problems, is to just get an understanding of what's going on here. And so you've got Faith who's saving $20 each month. She's so far got $140 saved up, and she wants to spend at most $750 on the laptop. So when I write an equation or an inequality, I like to start with the end. And so the end of the story here is the $750 that she wants to save, right? 750. And notice this says it's an inequality. And the reason it's an inequality is because it says she wants to spend at most $750 on the laptop. So what does that mean, at most? So would she be willing to spend more than 750? No, because that's the most she wants to spend. So then the next question is she willing to spend $750? And so at most means yes, you're willing to spend $750 or less. So our inequality symbol that's going to go here is that how much she spends has to be less than or equal to 750. And so on the left side here, we're gonna take all the other values and complete that side of the story. So on the other side, it says she's saving $20 per month. That per month is really important. When you see a per, that typically means you're multiplying there. So $20 per month means $20 times the number of months, which is M. So we're going to have 20M. And then on top of that, she's already saved $140. So the 20M she's going to get each month. And then plus, she's already saved $140. So that's your inequality. Now, keep in mind that this is multiple choice, but if it wasn't, if you swapped the 20M and 140, so if you had these the other way and had 140 plus 20M, that would be correct also. All right. The answer just happens to be laid out like this. All right. So word problems are tough. The more you do them, the better you'll get at them. That's the best advice I can give you, unfortunately. So keep working hard and you will master the math.